Hello, everybody. This is the Good Steward FX. Here is my weekly analysis for GJ of the week of December 3rd. And this is what we're looking. Let's do our top down analysis on the daily, starting from the daily. We see that 185 flat is a major area of support, which is a key level of interest. So, what we're going to do is identify 185 as a major support, area of support, meaning that if prices approaches as it's approaching to 185, we may very well see a push to the upside. See what GJ is doing right now. GJ has been on an uptrend as of late, and just because it has been bearish all of last week, your long-term bias, if it holds up to this major area of support, should be bullish. So we need to see how it behaves around this area. So as we drill down to the 4 hour, let's just remove this and let us set our Fibonacci retracement tool. When there is a big move in the market, we use our Fibonacci retracement tool to see where prices would pull back. And let's also set our psychological levels to see some key areas of support and resistance. As you can see in the past, right around 187,500 was a key level of resistance. It was tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times until it went all the way down. So let's mark up our levels right here. So this is what we're currently looking at. I highly recommend that if prices approach to the 186,200, as it approaches here, we need to see a rejection, like a double top formation or minor areas of resistance around here, and we may see a continuation to the downside, reach into this major area of support, or if there's a huge push to the upside, right, what prices could do is reach around this level, thus creating a lower high. But ideally, according to our trading strategy, we do rely on psychological levels, which is nice, even rounded numbers. So what can happen, it can push all the way up to 187, right at that zero point 0.5 fib level, and you may see a continuation to the downside. So these are some potential setups. I highly recommend to set your alerts at these fib levels or these psychological levels. My focus is the psychological levels. Now that I see that the fib levels are around the psychological levels, I just need to clearly see a correction in the markets in any of these zones, and we may see a creation of lower highs, or it may go all the way down to this major area of support, and we may see a reversal, a push to the upside. Because on the daily, look at it. If prices even reach to 185 flat, it's still uptrend, and it's creating a a a um, a chart pattern where it's creating a lower bottom, double bottom, excuse me, formation. I'm sorry, my mind just drew a blank right there. And that is an indication that if it's respected, that prices could reach and shoot up to the upside. So GJ, long-term wise, is bullish, but be aware of these fib levels right here as it approaches this major area of support. And let's see how the week goes.